Assalamu alaikum all the students. In this lesson I will be explaining the revision of the lab activity. Okay, so question number 1, it's about research. Question number 1, create a fact sheet about Hereford cattle. Write the following information. Okay, so these are information we are going to search from the internet browser. Step number 1, so let's find the home. Open the browser and just type the home of Hereford cattle and just click on enter. It will show you the home. It is Herefordshire County. Okay, it's in England. So you will type Herefordshire County. So the second question is habitat of Hereford cattle. So here you will type, you will remove the home and just type habitat of Hereford cattle. Now it is Arctic snows of Finland, so you will type here Arctic snows of Finland. Now in this way you will search the food and the physical features. Next question is create the following table in Microsoft Excel. This is the table. You can create it in Excel like this. Okay, so first you will write the name of the employee, then salary, then bonus, and then total. So this is how you will create the table. You can also give borders to the table. How to give borders to the table? It's very simple. Just select, right click, and then click on format cells, and here you choose the borders and just click on all the sides of the borders and click on OK. Okay, so in this way you will create the table. After that, let's see the question. Add 2 employees, their salaries and bonuses of your own. Okay, so I will add any employee, Ahmad. Okay, his salary is 8,000, bonus is 90, so you have to add 2 employees, Hassan, and then his salary is 9,000 and 100 is his bonus. Now let's see the third question. Calculate the total using the AutoSum function. So it's very easy. Click on the total cell. Okay, in the home tab, you will have an option of AutoSum. So click on AutoSum and click on enter. So to find the AutoSum in the next employee's record, click on the total cell, choose the home, and then click on this AutoSum icon. So it will automatically select the cells, and you just need to press enter. Okay, this is how you have to do this question. Now question number 3 is create the following table in Microsoft Excel. So first step, you will write all these items as it is. Okay, I will show you the, so you will write all these items as it is. Okay, recipe, ingredient, amount, and price. Okay, these are the item, this is the recipe name, cake, and to make a cake you need these ingredients. You can write your own if you want to add, but better you write these ingredients. These amounts, you can write your own amounts, no problem. You can change it, no problem. And the prices, you can change it, no problem. Okay, any price of your own. After that, question number 1 is that we have to find the total. So to find the total, after you make this whole table, this is the complete table. Okay, this is the complete table. You have to sit and write it as it is. Okay, as we did in the class as well. So the first question is given here, find the total cost of the cake. So we have to find the total. How to find? Using the AutoSum function. Click on the total cell here. Let me mark it yellow. So click on this yellow cell and click on this auto sum function. It will select all the cells and then just click the enter. It will give you the total of this all, right? So if you change any one of these values, it will automatically be updated. Okay, if you change it, it will automatically be updated. Now to make this text larger, just click on this text large icon, or you can click this bold to make it little bold. Okay, next question is calculate the cost of one portion. Okay, now if you see, the total price of this cake is 28 dirhams and there are 4 portions in the cake. So to find the price of one portion, you have to divide this 28 by this 4. So here in this cell, this blue cell, you have to type a formula. Remember, in Excel every formula start with equal sign. So first I will press equal, then the total divide by this portions in a cake. So first I will click the total cell, then I will type divide, and then I will click the portions in the cake cell. Okay, once you do this, just click on enter. Okay, so to make it little bit visible, make it bold or change its color, no problem, it's your wish. Okay, the third part and the last part is to find the profit. Okay, now what is the formula of the profit? It is, like for example, the selling price is already given, which is 9, right? To find the profit, you have to minus the cost price from the sell price. So profit will be equal to selling price minus cost of one portion. Let's write a formula. Just click on the cell of the profit. Let me make it a little this color. Okay, so just click the cell, type equal, then what is the selling price? 9. So click on the cell where 9 is written, minus click on the cell where the cost price is written, 7. Okay, so this is the way of writing the formula for finding the profit. So this 2 is the profit. Okay, now students, if you change any values here, you will automatically see that this cell and this cell will be changed. Okay, so if you change it, like for example, if you make it 1, it will be like this. So this was the revision for the lab activity. Good luck. Thank you so much.